Hey there, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to another episode where we dive into the nitty-gritty of car maintenance. Today, I'm going to share a quick and easy way to extend the life of your tires. Tire rotation. It's a simple process that can make a world of difference. Not only does this simple practice save you money, but it also keeps your ride smooth and safe. Imagine driving on a set of tires that wear evenly and last longer. So, let's dive right in. We'll cover why tire rotation is essential, how to do it, and how often you should be doing it. First up, why should you even bother with tire rotation? It's a question many car owners ask. Well, it's all about even wear. Tires wear out at different rates depending on their position on the car. Your front tires usually wear out faster than your rear ones. This is due to the additional stress they endure. This is thanks to the extra stress from steering and the weight of the engine. The front tires bear the brunt of the work. By rotating them regularly, you can even out the wear pattern across all four tires. This ensures that no single tire wears out prematurely. This means a longer lifespan for your tires and fewer trips to the tire shop. Who doesn't want to save time and money? Now, let's talk about improved lifespan. When you rotate your tires, you maximize their usability. When you distribute wear evenly, you get the most mileage out of each tire. This is crucial for getting the best value for your money. This means you won't need to replace them as often, saving you some serious cash in the long run. Think of all the other things you could spend that money on. But it's not just about saving money, there are other benefits too. Regular tire rotation can enhance your car's handling too. A well-maintained set of tires can make a huge difference in how your car drives. Unevenly worn tires can mess with your car's grip and stability on the road. This can be particularly dangerous in adverse conditions. So keeping them rotated ensures better control and a smoother ride. You'll notice the difference in your car's performance, and don't forget about safety. This is perhaps the most important reason to rotate your tires. Consistent tire wear means better traction and braking performance. This is crucial for safe driving. This translates to safer driving conditions, especially in wet or slippery situations. You want your car to perform its best when you need it the most. Alright, so how do you rotate your tires? It's not as complicated as it might seem. The rotation pattern depends on your car's drive type. Different cars require different rotation patterns. For front-wheel drives, you might follow a forward cross pattern. This helps balance the wear between the front and rear tires. For rear-wheel drives, a rearward cross or even side-to-side might be best. Each pattern has its own benefits. It's always a good idea to check your car's manual for the recommended rotation pattern. The manual will provide the best guidance for your specific vehicle. As for how often to rotate, this is another common question. The rule of thumb is every 8,000 to 10,000 kilometers. This interval helps ensure even wear. But again, consult your manual for your car's specific recommendations. Different cars may have different needs. Now, some of you might be DIY enthusiasts, and that's awesome. Rotating your own tires can be a rewarding experience. Just make sure your car is safely lifted and you've got the right tools. Safety should always be your top priority. However, if you're not comfortable doing it yourself, getting a professional mechanic to do the job is always a solid choice. They have the expertise and equipment to do it right. They'll ensure it's done correctly and safely. Plus, they can check for other potential issues while they're at it. So there you have it. Tire rotation is a key part of car maintenance that shouldn't be overlooked. Regular tire rotation is a simple yet effective way to extend your tire life, improve your car's handling, and ensure safer driving. It's a small effort for a big payoff. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more car tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Keep those tires rolling.